Hey guys, this is just a quick update showing that we have actually been working. So we're going on probably another 2-week stretch here for a video. The next video to post is going to be on the victory home and how to lay out for a foundation. That video will include what we've done here with setting up the batter boards and laying out where all our piers are going to go. It will also include the excavation of the piers and a little more in depth of what we did. It was difficult. We knew it was going to be difficult, but we hit a layer of shale that the auger just would spin and grind on. So it was a lot of digging bar and a lot of pulse hole digger to kind of get through that. And then when we get to a part where we could kind of use the auger again, so it was a lot of back and forth. The roots in some areas were kind of bad. We had to cut a few out with the Sawzall. The auger would get under there and like a corkscrew get caught on those. So that was tricky, but we did good. We have a lot more to do. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. It's just a quick update. This weekend we'll follow up with kind of episode 1 on the victory home and laying out for a foundation. I hope you guys enjoy.
This is just not my stronger side.
Okay. I'll let it rumble in place for a little bit. Rumble. Lift it up, stop. Okay, like this.
Oh my gosh.
So that's a root. So go back.
I can.
All right.
Let's build something. That'll be fun. Don't even try.